Hello friends. And now I will tell you which flowers on tomatoes must be removed. I will also tell you what will happen if they are not removed. I think you, when examining your tomato plants, noticed such flowers. They are huge. Beginner gardeners think that from such a huge flower the fruits of tomatoes will be huge. But I want to disappoint you. Of course, the fruit of tomatoes will grow out of it, but now I will show you what it will be like. I specifically left one such flower at my place so that the fruit would grow out of it. Here, look at him. The fruit is a crooked, incomprehensible shape. In general, it does not look very good. Well, in terms of taste, in principle, it will not differ from other fruits. No variety or hybrid is immune from such flowers. They can appear on absolutely any tomato plant, but they appear quite rarely and only in the first tomato clusters. Further, as the plant grows, they no longer appear. And you need to remove such flowers for the following reasons. First, ugly, gnarled fruits will grow out of them. Pests and diseases easily penetrate into such fruits. And secondly, since this tomato fruit is one of the first to be tied, the plant spends a lot of energy and nutrition on its growth and maturation. And by removing it, the bush will direct this nutrition to the growth and maturation of the remaining fruits. Therefore, do not waste time. As soon as such flowers are seen on your tomatoes, immediately remove them. Do not worry, you will not lose anything, but on the contrary, only accelerate the development of the plant. So to whom the information was useful, like it. Don't forget with your friends and also subscribe to my channel. I wish you a good day. See you in new videos.